Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you, or not really talk to you, but try to debunk some myths about the 5th scale RCs, especially the Baja 5Bs gas versions. So if you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff because it really does help me out. And how cool is this seat? I may have undiagnosed ADHD, but like it doesn't matter because you keep watching me, so sucks to be you. Anyways, first myth I wanted to debunk today is that using a high pressure water cannon or gurney or high pressure water cleaner, whatever you want to call it, is safe for your Baja 5B or any 5th scale off-road RC. No, it's not. In my experience is that I've actually had water seep into the box here. Now, just think about it. You've got 2 receivers, you've got 2 servos, 1 receiver and a battery in these boxes. And with a high pressure water cannon, heater, gurney, whatever, high pressure water cleaner, you can't really control where the water goes. Yes, it does clean your vehicles, but really you've got to stay away, especially if you've got a LiPo or if you've got the battery version ones of these. You really don't want to mix water with electricity, including batteries. So myth 1 debunked. So just watch out for that one. Just watch out for that one. Great English, Christian. Next one I want to debunk is that good old matey WD-40 is a universal lubricant. I love WD-40. It fixes doors, stops creaks. I use it on my grandmother's hips. Ooh, shit. Oh no, I got it everywhere. But however, for your 5th scale RCs, I wouldn't recommend it. Use the right lubricants and oils for the right job. This is oil base. These are, these are shelf queens, let's just be honest, but like, these are actually built to bash around, go on the road and like do all sorts of dirty, stupid stuff. So, oil base, dirt, leaves, sticks, ex-girlfriends or boyfriends or whatever you want, we'll stick to them a lot with this. Don't be down, just in the back. So, just be careful what you use these on. I still do use this. I do like to lubricate my wheels, especially my bearings and stuff like that. But like really, like I'll tell you a quick story. I did have a look, I was scrolling around on a YouTube page and, not a YouTube page, a Facebook group, and somebody actually used WD-40, or they recommended WD-40 as shock oils. I don't know why, but like, comment below if you think that was wise. To me personally, I don't think it's wise, but hell, it's your car. You do whatever the freak you want. So, myth number 2 debunked is WD-40. WD-40 is not a universal lubricant or oil. So make sure you use the right oils or lubricants for the right job. Myth number 3. Now, I'm gonna have a little rant. Insert rant somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna do it. Allen keys. Hate Allen keys. Allen, if you're watching this, I freaking hate you. Whew. Don't over tighten your screws. Myth number 3, I think that's what I'm up to, is that if you over tighten your screws, it's a lot better. And bolts or whatever you want to do, just over tighten everything. Just tighten it, like, you know, like you just really just don't want it to get it loose and just over tighten it. No, don't do that, please don't do that. Learn from my mistakes. How many times I have stripped bolts and screws and whatever, thanks to the stupid Allen keys, because I've over tightened it. So just be careful of what you do and just hand tighten them. What I do recommend is that you use some form of Loctite. You can pick them up from your local hardware store or mechanics or, I don't know, next door neighbor. Use the blue one, don't use the red one, because the red one is like good luck trying to get that bolt out, but like the blue one just gets right in there. I have, there's a little bit of a hack there as well, what I got from one of my really good friends, you know, we're acquaintances, well, friends, I'm gonna call you a friend, John Wiggy, is that he actually uses some clear nail polish. So that was actually a really good hack. I like that as well on some certain parts. So yeah, so just don't over tighten your screws. Next debunk is that running these beautiful machines well, running them lean, rich is the way to go. Yeah, rich sounds good, doesn't it? More oils in the motor, more fuel, go faster. Mufasa. I wonder if that picked up on the translation. Mufasa or go faster? Wow, this has got out of control. So yeah, look, don't run them too rich. If you think about it, the more fuel, oil, your motor does have to work a lot harder. What I do suggest is tune these babies up to the max. I'm gonna be dreadfully honest with you. I'll never lie to you. I'll never lie to anyone really, is that I don't know how to tune them properly. I've only been in the game for quite some time. Well, not quite some time, but like 6 months, but like it's lasted longer than my pet goldfish. But however, in my experience is that I have run them too rich, and I'll bring Exhibit A to the podium. And this is a 45cc motor. Cost me about $800 Australian, and it is ruined because I ran it too rich. Yeah, that's cool, look at that, everything turns. I didn't let it break in properly. So look after your motors. These are two strokes, they are built like tanks, but however, they do have a braking limit. So really look after them. You don't want to do it as I do, is buy a brand new motor or screw up your existing motor because you haven't tuned it right and you haven't got the right fuel mixture coming through this thing. So look after them, tune them correctly. What I have problems with is that there's a tune, tune. There's like a noise or a high pitch. I'm not quite there as of yet, but look, for an investment of $30 to my local bike mechanic or somebody who is experiencing tuning two-stroke motors, it's worth the investment. So really, tune these properly, don't run them too rich. Rich is not always better. Boom. Next one is, I totally forgot what my next one was. That's right, I remember now. It is, 5th scale RCs are cheap. No, they're not. Ask my wife and the credit card. I wasn't born into money, nor do I have an endless amount of cash. But I have spent over $15,000 on both my cars and my DBXL. So look, be prepared. This pipe alone did cost me, I think it was like 600 Australian dollars. I blew up a motor. That was 800. The FPV system that I have put in here from DJI, now that is about $1,000, including not including the goggles. So look, it does all line up, all build up in expenses. So be prepared for that. You can do it cheap and on a budget, 100% you can. And make it your own. Like, look, I've painted and done my own graphics and like, you know, put my stickers on and made it really unique to me. This is what I strongly suggest you do, because like straight out of the box, they run fantastic. They run amazing. But you will get that bite of trying to go faster, trying to go, oh, this chair's a bit creaky. You will want to go faster, better, more suspension, bigger wheels and stuff like that. These wheels, These wheels, 350 pounds, so 600 Australian dollars, more than my motorbike tyre, my Ducati V4 motorbike tyre. So, worth it though. I have absolutely so much fun with it. So just be prepared that things will break. Things, you can get aftermarket parts off eBay, Alibaba, Amazon, Jesus, I don't know, wherever. So look, just be prepared that you will need to keep buying different parts because they are built like tanks, but however, they are models. So just be prepared, okay? But look, I hope those debunking tips, I've only been in the game for like, what, 6 months, and I love it. I'm learning as I go. If you've got any debunk tips of your own, link down below, not link down below, comment down below, because I want to hear from you. Like if you've got any tricks, tips, different things you can do to modify these babies, or if you've got any myths that you want to debunk or you want to make known not to do or to do, comment below. It's an open forum. Let me know. Let me know everything. Let me know how your cat's doing. Hope you like the new studio. I built this, a couple of weeks ago and completely love it. I'm not sitting on the floor today, I've got the desk out here, so really just want to thank everybody who has supported me in this journey. Look, I'm not up to 1,000 subscribers as of yet, but if you haven't done so, it really does mean a lot to me. Please like, subscribe, and do all that fun YouTube stuff because it really, it just motivates me that people like my content. And if you don't like my content and if you've got some constructive criticism, not that my shirts are too tight, because I know, let me know in the comments below. Or if you've got any other videos or topics that you want me to discuss on my channel, I'm more than happy. Just let me know. We're friends, we're family, best friends, boyfriends. So yes, okay. Look, me signing out. Till next time, thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff, and I'll catch you next time. I don't know why I do this. Why? See you guys. And I'm not in focus. Nah, that's a stupid intro. Chat to you guys about, I don't know what I'm going to chat to you about. Oh my God. Check my face, camera. Whee. Check it, it's lower. Lean back. Okay, yeah, that's alright. You know, I can do that. How do I make it stop? If you haven't done so, fuck.